Hello everyone, let's talk about nail dashes and how easy they are to apply. This is everything that you need. Pretty much everything comes in the kit, the cuticle pusher, and then the nail file and buffer, as well as the glue. You will, however, need a cotton round and alcohol, or in this case, I like to use alcohol wipes just to wipe down my nails. It's simple and easy. This just gets rid of any excess oils, dirt, anything like that. It makes a clean slate for your nails to go on. And then I always have my nails laid out in front of me exactly how they are going to go on from pinky to thumb. That's exactly how you're going to start them, is on your pinky and working towards your thumb. This allows you to have the best grip on the nails so that you can apply it at a 45-degree angle, line it up with your cuticle, and then push down for about 30 seconds. The more glue you do apply, the longer your dashes will last. The glue is an acrylic bond, but it breaks down over time with water, like soapy hot water. So typically it won't ever fall off just from you like washing your hands or shampooing your hair. It literally has to be soaking in there, and it has to be really sudsy water for it to break down the bond. So here I am just working in. I sometimes do 2 nails on one side, 2 nails on the other. It doesn't matter as long as you have the pointer and thumb. That's just going to make it the easiest to apply because those fingers typically are the strongest and the easiest to set the nail on. And a quick pro tip for you, if you apply a small little dab of glue in the center of the nail and then use the tip of the glue applicator to kind of spread it around evenly, this will give it a thin, even layer that will prevent oozing. The oozing sometimes happens and that'll get on your fingers, and then it just makes everything a little bit sticky. And then it can also get on top of the nail, and if it does, you can always take a warm washcloth real quick and kind of wipe it off or buff it off gently. But be careful, because with the shiny finishes, buffing off the top can take off a little bit of the finish. And you can really see just how easy it is to do a DIY manicure just right in your home.